Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan, and today, Tuesday, 26 March 2024, our trade setup directions for today will be long on the US, the CAD and the Euro, short on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the Yen. Before we proceed, remember, trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. Now the dollar index, well, to be expected after a break. Remember now the break of the bullish, this is like a wave one. Now it should come and retest like I was waiting here for the break. We had the break, the retest and the reversal. This one in fact failed. So I just need to see, will they retest? Will they be successful, the bulls? Because we got the flag retest, we got the structure retest, we got the moving averages retest. So a lot of stuff must happen around this area here, giving us a reversal to continue the bullishness. Intraday, I'm still bullish on the dollar. The short-term indicator here is still bearish, but it's not going to last that long. The rest is all bullish, so I have to be more bullish than bearish. On gold, yeah, this nice big swing up the page. I'm still waiting for some retracements. Daily charts just accentuate that level there, which I'm waiting for. Nothing wrong buying the all-time high. I got a little bit in there, but not a formal trade. And then on the 4-hour charts, the problem with intraday trading now is that the dollar is strong, so I would not go long, and I personally don't short gold. So for now, I'm sitting aside on the shorter time frames. On the longer time frames, I'm trying to buy at these levels, and I bought some at those highs there, but that's small positions, nothing at this stage. Then Brent oil, lovely trade, our lovely setup here, consolidation, little double bottom coming in here. You can see here, there's a bottom, another go at the bottom, the break, now the retest right at 50%. Right, so that's the area. You can see how nicely resistance, support, resistance, and now I'm waiting for this to become support. So on a candle reversal here, I would definitely be interested on a 1-hour or 4-hour trade, taking along on oil. Euro yen, euro green zone, yen red zone, so still good, same as yesterday. I just added another level here. So we've got this big level here, but this level is also confirming. So this was close to the 61%. This is the one I couldn't trade because it's a Monday night bar. But well, let's call it a midnight bar on Monday morning. So I'm waiting still for a retracement back to either one of these two levels, and then I will look for some solid candle reversals. So for now, wait patiently. I want to be long here, but not at those levels. And the pound CAD, approaching the level that I'm looking at. Pound neutral, but CAD is the one I want to be long in. So shorting this will give me the chance to be long on the CAD. Big level coming in here. So I'm very interested to see what's going to happen by the time it hits that level, and then the reversal. So let's see if I can get a reversal there for some shorts. Aussie Swiss. I included this line this morning. I was waiting at these levels, missed it, didn't get it. Came short of that, so that's actually very, very strong and bullish. But I won't chase. I would like to see a retest of all these levels, or one of these levels at least this first one, which I drew in this morning. But if it can test the bottoms, I would like that, really. I would really like that. If you look at the Aussie, that's the neutral side of things, but Swiss is very weak, and going long here will give me the opportunity to be short on the Swiss. Then the CAD yen. CAD yen, I had these levels in, this level here. I added in this one yesterday from Monday morning. So now I've got a little bit of a wider zone. So I'm waiting for the retest here also to see if we can find a little bit of the beginning of a double bottom, and then maybe add on a breakout. I will see by the time it gets there, but for now I'm waiting patiently for a retracement. I'm not saying it will happen. If it happens, I'll look for some long setups here, and a nice counter reversal that'll get me long. You can see here that CAD is in the green zone, yen is in the red zone, and that's why I paired them up this morning. Euro pound, no, not really my favorite pair, but euro green zone, pound neutral, but I'm looking for longs on the euro. So I would still like, same as yesterday morning, I would still like to have a retest of this area here, these resistance levels coming in. That could become a nice support here for hopefully another run up the page. It's not a strong sell-off, it's just a little consolidation ABC sell-off. So let's hope that we can get some support coming in there. In the Aussie yen, Aussie neutral zone, but yen still on the red one. This is getting suspiciously close to each other. So I'm getting slightly cautious on this. But okay, I'm going to leave the levels on my chart. I'll leave it on my watch list. I had this level up yesterday. I added this support level, which was confirmed by the market Sunday night. So I will leave this level and see what happens. If it gets there or there, I'll test my trade idea on any of those two levels. In the pound New Zealand, we got this resistance level, support level, and I'm looking at this to test again. I like to get this back down here before I'll get interested. Pound neutral, that's not the one I'm after. I'm after the short on the New Zealand. So this is an option. But I think by the time we're going to get down here, I think the pound will get too close to the New Zealand, and then I might step away. But we'll see. I don't think it'll happen today, maybe tomorrow. But for now, I will just sit patiently and wait for a retest. The US Swiss, nice swing up the page, solid retracement back to the 50-61% levels there. That's the area I'm looking at it. And you can see dollar in the green zone, Swiss complete, weakest one of them all. So it's all the sparkle against no sparkle. I would love to be long here, but not from those levels. That's too close to that resistance level. I'm not going to take that chance. So if I can get a decent retracement today or tomorrow or so, I'll then consider. But I will only consider down here, not up on those highs. CAD Swiss, CAD green zone, Swiss red zone. You can see it's very nicely positioned there. Yet again, I want to be long here, but I'm not going to take a long up there, because then you have to have a stop loss down here. It's not going to work for me. So I'll get a retracement here to see if I can get a retest on the 50% level. Once I get the 50% retested, confirmed Sunday night, then I will get interested, because then I can have a tight stop loss. But for now, I'm cautious. Up there, I won't do anything. I can later on look for consolidations or something like that. But for now, I would wait for a retracement. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the US yen. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me, so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So if we move into the US yen, you can see a nice consolidation coming up there. I got the dollar in number one, all the sparkle, yen in the red zone. The yen can move quite nicely. So there's quite a few levels I'm watching. It's the retracement to this level here, and then this area here. So we've got structure here, we've got structure there. If I move the FIPS around, that's all FIP levels that I'm interested in trading. I'm not going to move them around here now. But now we've got this consolidation happening. And a consolidation like this can have quite an explosive move to the upside. With a dollar that's got all the sparkle, the yen that's in the red zone, I'm really happy with this. So the breakout, the retest, the candle reversal. So this could build up a very nice trade for us. But if the pattern there fails, I will then check this area here for my trade idea. And if it cuts through that, I'll check this area then for my trade idea. So I got plenty of options here. I got a breakout option and I got the retracement options, and for that reason it is my favorite trade idea for today. Now guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you are eyeing in the comments below. And I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey, and don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.